How much should you actually spend on a propane camping stove? Because some people are happy buying the cheap ones, but end up frustrated with the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Gas One Dual Fuel Stove. We have the Gas One GS3400P, propane or butane stove. At just $29.99, this one caught my eye for its dual fuel capability, allowing you to use both propane and butane. If you want flexibility in your cooking options, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this product solves your problem. The dual fuel design means you can cook with whatever fuel is available, which is super handy if you're out in the wilderness. It runs on a single butane cartridge or a standard propane cylinder, and it even comes with a propane converter regulator. Plus, the automatic piezoelectric ignition means no fumbling with lighters. Just turn the dial and you're ready to go. Honestly, that's something I really appreciate when I'm camping. But I have to be real with you. Some users mentioned that the flame can be a bit inconsistent at times. Here's the thing though, if you're careful with how you adjust the heat, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's still an excellent value for an entry-level stove. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly and portable solution for occasional camping trips. Skip this one if you need something more heavy-duty for serious outdoor cooking. Now, if the dual fuel feature isn't your thing, this next one might actually be even better for those who need a dedicated propane burner.
Product number 2, Gas One High Pressure Burner. The Gas One High Pressure Single Propane Burner. This one doesn't have a set price listed, but it's a solid choice for anyone who wants a heavy-duty option. What really stood out to me is its high output design, which delivers a steady flame. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're serious about outdoor cooking, you need something that can heat quickly and evenly. This burner provides consistent flames that heat up pots and pans in no time. And with the built-in heat shield, you won't have to worry about oil splattering everywhere or the flame reaching critical parts. However, a few people have noted that it can be a bit bulky to transport. Here's the thing though, if you're planning to set it up in a fixed location, that shouldn't be a huge issue. For backyard cookouts or camping with a vehicle, it's totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable stove for serious outdoor cooking or brewing. Skip this one if you need something ultra portable. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better if you need more cooking power.
Product number 3, Coleman Triton 2-burner stove. Let's talk about the Coleman Triton 2-burner propane stove. Priced at $107.97, this stove is all about versatility with its 2 adjustable burners. If you want to cook multiple dishes at once, you should definitely check this one out. The 22,000 BTUs of power means you can boil water or fry up a feast quickly, which is a huge time saver when you're out camping. Plus, the wind guards are a game changer. They keep your flames steady, even on breezy days. This feature genuinely surprised me because cooking outdoors can be tricky when the wind picks up. But there's a bit of a downside. Some users found it a bit heavy to carry. Here's the thing, if you're backpacking, this might not be the best fit, but for car camping, it's fantastic. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable stove for family camping trips or tailgating. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra lightweight. Now, if you want something with even more cooking options, the next product could be just what you need.
Product number 4, Coleman Classic 1-burner butane stove. The Coleman Classic 1-burner butane stove, priced around $40.91. This compact stove is great if you're after something lightweight that's easy to transport. If you want portability without sacrificing cooking power, this is worth considering. With a power output of 7,650 BTUs, it's perfect for simple meals when you're on the go. The Insta-Start ignition means you can light it without matches, which is super convenient when you're outdoors. Plus, the wind baffle helps keep the flame stable, which is essential for cooking in varying conditions. However, some folks mention that it doesn't work as well in very windy environments. Here's the thing though, if you're camping in a sheltered area, you'll be just fine. It's a great choice for day trips. This is perfect for you if you want a compact stove for quick meals while camping or tailgating. Skip this one if you need something for more intensive cooking. All right, that was a solid option, but the last one on our list is a real powerhouse for those who want to do it all.
Product number 5, Coleman Cascade 3-in-1 stove. We have the ultimate choice if you want versatility, as it includes a cast iron grill and griddle accessories. If you want to cook a variety of meals outdoors, this one is definitely worth taking a closer look at.
With a whopping 24,000 BTUs of cooking power, you can easily whip up everything from burgers to pancakes. The improved knob rotation gives you better control, ensuring your meals are cooked just right. Plus, the 2 wind guards will protect your flames, which is a must for outdoor cooking. That said, it is on the pricier side, and some users found it a bit heavy for transport. Here's the thing, if you're serious about cooking while camping, the versatility and power make it worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you want a fully equipped cooking station for extended trips. Skip this one if you're just looking for a simple stove for quick meals.
So, to wrap this up, we've covered the budget-friendly Gas 1 GS3400P, the heavy-duty Gas 1 high-pressure burner, the versatile Coleman Triton 2-burner, the portable Coleman Classic 1-burner, and the powerful Coleman Cascade 3-in-1 stove. Each one has its strengths and could be the right fit depending on your camping style. No matter which you choose, happy cooking outdoors.